Alright, we are to the head. I will take the head and we'll spin her around. Looking pretty good. I don't know, I don't think this is supposed to go across there. I believe it should go across the bottom. Everything seems to work pretty decent, except for, yeah, I guess it works pretty decent. We're going to change out all the bulbs to LEDs. On this side we'll clean all the sockets, that good stuff. The bottom of the glass has a little bit of flaking, so we will address that. Let's get it over to the other side. This side I do have some issues. Can anybody point it out right away? The first issue you see? Bueller? Let me zoom her in a little bit. Anybody figure out the issue yet? Yeah. This coil is toasted. Nuclear meltdown, and the plunger is stuck up. So we gotta figure out what is with that. Otherwise, everything seems decent back in here. It will need the usual Mark's Basement Arcade. We'll pull apart all the score reels. This stepper is very gummy. Come on. Let's go down. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. This machine would be spazzing out right now if it was doing it on its own. So yeah, we gotta... Okay, I think it is down all the way. Yeah. We're rebuilding that stepper. Score reels will come apart. Other than that, we'll rebuild this chime. It's missing the felt on one side. That is no big deal. You can get felt at the hardware store. You can either buy it like a big sheet, or they do have felt washers. That's what I usually do. I'll just get some felt washers at the hardware store and I use them. And then, just like before, we will take the head out of the head to make all this just easier to work on. So, since we already looked at the play field and discovered the play field and everything like that, that is done with the intro to Blast Off. So there'll be some cool things along the bottom here. Give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Check out the description below. There's cool stuff in there. And yeah, subscribe. Yeah, like 70% of you are not subscribers. Thanks for watching to the end, and big thumbs up, and later. Alright, here is the inside of the Blast Off cabinet. As you can see, it's in pretty decent shape. What we are going to look at right here, as soon as we zoom in, we do have, I think it was 3 coils that we're going to replace. We got this one here, that one, let me see again. There was 3, I believe. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this one's got a broken bobbin. So I think it was 3 that I ordered. I got 4. Did I order a spare for myself? I don't remember. I'm gonna have to find that out. C28 1150, which would probably be these. Z28 1150. So we got 1, 2, 3, which is that. Z35 4200, which would be this one here. Z27 1000, which is right here. I wonder why I picked that one. There had to have been a reason why. But I got 5 coils. Maybe I ordered extra. That's what I'm thinking I did. I think I ordered extra. Just to have one in stock, because I never had one before. But I know at least we're doing 1, 2, 3. We're at least doing 3. I think I might have ordered extra. What else can we see by this picture? The power cord is garbage. We're getting rid of that. There's mouse poo in here that we're getting rid of. Basically, I'm pulling this entire board out like I normally do. We'll go through it, clean it up, replace the coils, and then get the playfield back in it after we rebuild the playfield and we rebuild the head. But yeah, that is the condition of the playfield. I mean, the inside of the cabinet. Note, this is recorded out of sequence because you don't see the head on the machine or the playfield, because Mark forgot to record the before. So the head is actually done right now and the playfield is done. So I gotta figure out how to scab the before playfield into this whole mix. So I'm just gonna ad lib a little bit here. Right here, edit this video out. Here's the playfield. It's dirty and nasty, and you can see it just needs to be cleaned and refurbished and gone through, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and later.